Hello, my name's Malani, and today it's a video about my passion project, and my passion is cooking. And today we're going to be making Asian burger sliders. So the first ingredient is 1 pound of ground beef, and then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and half a cup of fresh ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemongrass, 2 to 3 stalks of fresh green onion, a half a head of garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of panko or breadcrumbs. And the utensils that you need is a mortar and pestle, which is stone, 1 large mixing bowl, 1 cast iron skillet, and 1 spatula. I have prepped everything beforehand, and this is the pestle, and this is the mortar. And I've already chopped the lemongrass and the ginger, and I put it in here, and I mashed it up with the pestle. And then I also have the green onions. I have garlic powder just to give a little bit more flavor. And I have finely chopped garlic. I have black pepper, and I have panko, and I have soy sauce, and I have the eggs. Now I'm going to add in a pound of ground beef. So I'm going to get it out right now. Let's put it in here. Okay. And now I'm going to add the garlic and the green onion. And the green onion. Then we add our lemongrass and ginger mixture because it gives it a lot more flavor. So now we're going to pour the soy sauce over the bowl. So in case anything falls, it just goes into the bowl. 2, 3, and a 1/3 cup of panko. Then we mix it all together. And this is the last patty I'm making because I already made some. So first you roll it into a ball, and then you press on it, and that's your patty. It has to be at least half an inch. At medium heat, and heat it for 5 minutes to get the right temperature. So we've been heating it for 5 minutes, and let's take a patty and put it on the skillet. Now we're going to plate. So first you get a Hawaiian bread and cut it through the middle, and then you put a burger patty there, and then you put some of the sweet soy sauce. Put it right there, middle, and then here's your Asian burger slider.